Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu will start a 6-day visit to India from Sunday. The two countries hope to boost trade and defense ties and iron out differences arising from New Delhi's decision to scrap a defense deal. India is Israel's biggest arms market, buying around $1 billion worth of weapons every year. Israel's state-owned defense contractor, the WION, announced on January the 3rd that India had canceled a $500 million order to buy its Spike anti-tank guided missiles. Reports say India instead would opt for homemade anti-tank missiles. Despite the cancellation of the missile deal, India's defense ministry said this month it had cleared a plan worth $72 million to buy 131 Barrack surface-to-air missiles built by WION. The two countries have grown closer since Prime Minister Narendra Modi took office in 2014, widening the commercial cooperation beyond their long-standing defense ties. Well, in July of last year, Prime Minister Modi became the first PM from India to visit Israel in the last 7 years. Deals for gas and oil cooperation, cybersecurity, and agricultural projects are also on the cards.